everybody, what's up? It's me, Najah Marie, back with another video, and today I'll be showing you guys me putting in these. Yes, I'm putting curl formers into my hair and trying not to hit myself in the face. So, without further ado, here goes nothing. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing here is basically taking my hair out of my plastic shower cap and taking my hair down from my ponytail holders so that I can begin sectioning my hair into how I want the curls to look like. So next I am taking my hair down from those twists, and then I'm parting it into the part that I want my hair to fall. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I'm just taking that nice big section and moving it out of the way so I can begin the process of using the curl formers. So after I'm done taking my hair and putting it in bigger sections, I'm parting my hair with a rat tail comb into a smaller section and placing one of the smaller curl formers on the hook, plastic hook thing. And next I'll be using Elastic QP's olive oil and mango butter styling mousse, and I'm just going to work that through the section of hair. So after I'm done working that through my hair, I am detangling with my Annie Denman dupe brush that I got from the beauty supply store. And then I'm following that up with my rat tail comb because each section has to be thoroughly detangled, otherwise it won't be able to go through the curl former. So what you just saw there was me detangling, and I was twisting that section of hair at the root and pulling it through the curl former. So now I'm just going to show you that process again, where I take a section, I work my mousse through my hair, I'm detangling with my Denman brush and following that up with my rat tail comb, twisting it at the root and pulling it through the curl former.
And while having 3 hours left off, I attempted to do.
Oh, and one more thing I forgot to mention is that when you're working with the curl formers, patience is key. Because if you're rushing, like I did just now, the hair is not going to go through the curl former all the way. So make sure that you take your time as you're doing this whole process. Otherwise, you're going to keep pulling your hair out. Okay, you guys, I'm back. So I've just finished doing one side with my Elastic QP, and now I'm going to go in with the Keracare Foam Wraps Set Lotion. And let me tell you guys, this product, it's too perfumey for me, and I didn't really care for it. So here I am trying to put all of the curl formers on one side, like I'm trying to push them out of the way. So I'm taking one of my ouchless headbands and securing them around those curl formers, and now I'm going to start the same process again on the other side. Okay, you guys, so I'm applying the keracare to my hair. That rhymes. And I'm massaging it through that one small section and detangling it twice. And here you can see I'm focusing on my ends as well, because your ends also have to be detangled. Otherwise, they're not going to go through the curl former as well. So making sure that your ends are detangled is also super important, as well as the whole section of hair. So now I'm just going to continue the process throughout the rest of my hair, and I'm back. The other side is completely done, and I know my ends are looking quite raggedy, but you'll see later on what I'm gonna do. And this is basically what your hair is supposed to look like with the curl formers in your hair. And now I'm going to let this stuff air dry overnight so I can take it down in the AM. Okay, you guys, so today, well, it's the next day, and as you can see, I'm taking my hair down from my big satin bonnet, and my hair is surprisingly dry, and I think it is completely because I used mousse instead of like a setting lotion spray. And now I'm just readjusting my lighting. So what you guys can see here is that I am slowly taking my hair out of the curl former, and this is actually the fun part for me because my hair is so bouncy and curly except for those ends. Those ends have got to go. But anyway, I am taking my hair down, and what you're doing is straightening out the curl former, and you're just pulling it down, and voila, you get awesome curls. Whew, taking down these curls has been a lot of work. Bless me. So I am still taking my hair down, and now I'm just gonna come back to you guys once I'm done doing the other side. And I'm back, and this is what my hair looks like, completely free of the curl formers. And aside from these nasty ends, my curls look cute. So to get rid of them, I'm going to use my trimming scissors and trim them. I'm going to do that off camera because I can't do two things at once.
A few moments later.
Okay, you guys, so I am done trimming my hair, and I tried trimming my hair to the best of my ability, okay? That's why some of my curls still look kind of iffy, but they look a lot better than they did when I first took them down. And now I'm going to finish the style by laying down my edges, making sure that my edges look, you know, cute and not all puffy like they normally do. So I'm taking my toothbrush and my edge factor edge pomade, and you know, doing the whole thing with the toothbrush. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like button and comment below whether you want to see more videos like this, as well as hitting that subscribe button below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Laters!